Exciting update! Based on valuable input from e-commerce vendors, the Credenza user interface has been enhanced with additional features to streamline productivity and user experience. It now seamlessly integrates multi-channel orders, and crucially, Credenza ensures sellers adhere to stringent regulations on personal data protection, minimizing the risk of data breaches and devastating penalties. Now in order. Let us remind you that Credenza is fraud detection and risk evaluation software designed specifically for e-commerce. With the rapid expansion of online sales, various types of fraud have emerged, posing challenges for traditional fraud detection solutions. What makes Credenza stand out is its innovative crowdsourcing platform, which consolidates the collective sales experience of numerous sellers into a unified global database, using TreeTalk SDM NoSQL Technology. Now about the new features. We've discovered that many of our potential users leverage multiple sales channels, frequently including major marketplaces such as Amazon, eBay, and Shopify. It is difficult to integrate orders from these diverse platforms due to their varied reporting formats and the arbitrary deletion of data over time. Adhering to new laws regarding personal data protection further compounds these challenges. First, we have simplified the import of data on marketplace orders and made it semi-automatic. Of course, manual import is also possible. For example, let's manually download a list of Amazon FBM orders. What happens after loading fresh orders? A background process automatically checks the new transaction's fingerprints against similar patterns already in your database and in the shared database. If the machine learning model finds anomalies or existing records, this information is displayed in the order list and in the buyer's profile. The system issues an urgent warning if there is a serious reason to worry. When it comes to shared data, Credenza stands apart from various blacklists by offering true anonymization, depersonalization, and atomization within its crowdsourced database. Crucially, Credenza differs from online services as it operates as a native application, ensuring that all sensitive data remains securely stored on the user's device and never transmitted over the network, thereby mitigating potential data breaches. Additionally, users have the flexibility to choose their preferred data encryption method based on jurisdiction, AES 256, commonly permitted in free countries, DES 56, permissible in many police and authoritarian states without authorization, and XOR with a 40-bit key suitable for regions with outdated data encryption laws. We recommend using Advanced Data Encryption Standard AES 256 with CBC chain mode, non-breakable for the moment. Marketplaces have their own privacy policies, and buyer data is deleted sometime after ordering. A Credenza user can set the storage time for customer personal data for different sales channels. There is also the possibility of manually deleting individual data for the sales channel as a whole or for an individual buyer, upon his request. At the same time, anonymized transaction metadata, fingerprints, are stored and, when receiving a new order from a buyer, the system can restore historical data to check customer scoring and to detect possible fraud. Of course, there is also the already familiar option of manually requesting data. We extend a warm invitation to e-commerce sellers to join us in securely sharing anonymous sales data through Credenza, empowering us to collectively combat fraud and other e-commerce risks. Participate in our beta testing program, show your support on Kickstarter and Indiegogo, and enjoy access to the system's unique features completely free of charge. Additionally, don't forget to take our short survey and cast your vote for the features you'd like to see integrated into Credenza. Links are provided below. Subscribe and like this video to spread cognition about a new method of defying fraud. Together, let's make a difference in the world of e-commerce security.